Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kalia Lynette, and I am here with a room tour at the Intercontinental Miami. We're going to be touring room 3017, which actually happens to be an adjoining room to that room there, 3018. All right, so let's go ahead and enter in. All right, so what we have here is just a standard double bedroom. All right, you're gonna also see that we have a partial ocean view. I'm so mad at the partial. Hey guys, yeah, I'm so mad at the partial, but you'll understand why in just a moment. So here's the restroom, bathroom, okay, the area where I am going to relax and lounge. All right, so you have your shelving here. This is a closet. I'm going to step back just a little bit because my camera's really close, but here you have your closet. And then if I just go in a little bit closer and open that up, you'll see that you have there is a safe, ironing board, and then some hangers. And then it does go around. So it's a pretty decent sized closet. Not huge, but nice sized closet. I do like that it's in the bathroom and out of the way. All right. And then here is your vanity area. Really nice standalone sink. And I messed up the rug, so I'm going to fix that. All right. And then when you turn the corner here, you're going to see the toilet area. And then this one has a bathtub. Okay. Tiling on the floor, tiling on the walls. Bathtub. Look at that double head shower though. That's gonna feel amazing. All right, and then overhead light. And so we're gonna leave the bathroom and we're gonna just come on out here. And you do have a mini bar. Okay, I'm just gonna step back for a second so you guys can get a good look. We do have a mini bar, but this is not a free mini bar. Okay, so you guys are gonna see it says mini bar price list, which means don't you dare touch anything on this table, all right, in this area if you're not looking to pay for it, all right? Scan for your price list. Your ice bucket and cups are going to be underneath. Let's see what's down here. Is it a fridge? It is a fridge. And is it empty? Let's see. Oh, no, it's fully stocked. Oh, when I say fully, I mean fully. Fully stocked. Nice. Okay. So that's where the price list is going to come into play. Your drinks, your snacks. All right. And now we're going to enter into the bedroom area. You do have a full body mirror, which is a must for the ladies. I mean, some of the men too, but we have to have the full body mirror. Okay. So full body mirror. And then you're going to have in this room, like I said, 2 doubles. I'm here for like a mini conference. So I'm going to be here with my travel buddies and we're going to have training. We're going to be on a $50 million yacht, mega yacht. I can't wait for that. That's going to be Saturday evening. So that's going to be amazing. And my roommate isn't here yet. So I'll have this entire day to myself. And then she'll come in tomorrow morning and her room is already ready to go. So yeah, two beds, double beds. And then let me show y'all. I'm not even going to get to the ocean view yet. Not yet. So we have a really big screen TV. I love that. Nice size TV. And they're going to welcome you really nicely. Okay. So welcome Kalia Neblet. What else? All right. So look, one thing that I really love is the draperies. Okay. Watch this. So it is controlled by this little control center here. You can black it out. So I'm going to press a button here. Let's just go ahead and close both. And then look at that. It's going to black it out. So nice. I absolutely love that. I'm going to open it back up just so you guys can see out that window. If I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Okay. All right. So it's opening back. Let's just walk over. I love the workspace here, the little L-shaped desk. We are travel agents, and so we do work sometimes on vacation. So, you know, we still book. We're still booking. So it's nice to have the desk here. All right. But check this out. So this is our partial ocean view. Really nice view of the pool. And then where's the ocean? There's our ocean view. But that's it, guys. The hotel is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It has room service. They have a restaurant downstairs. They have a spa. They have pools. So I'm going to get into all of that while I'm here today, enjoying the lay of the land by myself. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in somewhere to stay when you come to Miami, this is a gorgeous hotel, beautiful. It was about 19 minutes away from the airport, so I just grabbed an Uber. Really easy to do. They were only 2 minutes away. It didn't take any time at all, and they got me here in 20 minutes, 19 minutes, okay? So you guys have a great day. Keep a lookout, all right, because I will be coming back with more videos of this weekend. It is going to be a weekend to remember.